The skyscrapers causing vertigo. The countdown begins in Tokyo.
Hello, have you ever been to a concert? If yes, then you should know what performance you will see. But have you ever wondered what happens before the concert proper? Same goes with those who haven't attended a concert. This concert that we will tackling about is not only for entertainment, but also to help the residents of Sitio Bebe by raising money for their basic needs, healthcare, and community projects. In this video, we will explain the three parts of our event. First, the pre-concert preparations. Second, the concert proper. And third, the post-concert task where donations will be distributed. Now, shall we ask the others for more info? Let's go!
Hi fellow students, before the concert starts, we need to prepare everything carefully. First, we identify the purpose of the concert. Our goal is to raise funds to help Sitio Bebe become a healthier and better community. Second, we need to secure the venue, date, and time. We must make sure that the place is safe, big enough, and available for the event. Third, we prepare performers and program. We will invite students, performers, volunteers, and guests to perform songs, dances, and spoken word. Fourth, we prepare decorations and materials for our stage background. Me and my team created a window art stained glass. Fifth, we prepare the equipment and fundraising materials like microphones, speakers, lights, donation boxes, posters, and tarpaulins. Lastly, we promote the event through announcements and social media to invite more people to support the concert.
Now let's talk about the program flow of the concert. First is the opening. The host will explain the purpose of fundraising concert. Next is the first set of performances. Student performers will present songs, dances, and spoken words to make the audience excited. After that is the fundraising set. The host will explain how the donation will help Sitio Bebe. We will also show a short skit or video presentation about the community. Then comes the main performance. This will be a big collaboration number to end the concert in a fun and memorable way. Finally, the host will give closing remarks and thank everyone. After the concert, we need to make sure the collected money will be used properly. First, we count the total funds and record the amount for transparency. Second, we divide the funds based on our plan. 40% will go to the basic needs like water, food, and clothes. 25% will go to health care like medicines and checkups. 20% will go to community projects like water, lighting, and improvements. 15% will go to direct financial aid for families and in need. Third, we will coordinate with the leaders of Sitio Bebe to know the most urgent needs. Fourth, we will buy the needed goods like food packs, medicines, and materials for projects. Fifth, the volunteers will prepare and pack the donations.
Today, we will organize stations to give out donations properly. Station 1, we will give food packs and hygiene kits. Station 2 will provide free medical checkups and medicines. Station 3 will present the community projects funded by the concert. Station 4 will give financial aid to selected families. We will document everything to make sure the funds are used honestly. We will also monitor community projects to see the improvements in Sitio Bebe. In conclusion, This fundraising concert is an educational activity that teaches us how to plan, organize, and help others. Through teamwork and proper preparations, we can make a big difference in the lives of people in Sitio Bebe.